right, guys. Hey, listen, hard water is affecting us all, right? Whether it's calcium, magnesium, and iron building up all over your fixtures, causing leaks inside of your home, or you're really just concerned about the levels of chlorine and chloramine that's in our water. Hey, listen, the city's doing the best they can. They have to treat millions and millions and millions of gallons of potable water a day, but they're having to do that with a lot of detergents and cleaning, such as chlorine in our water. Definitely want to be able to take that out, protect you and your family. From our side, we're definitely wanting to protect your plumbing system, right? Chlorine and chloramide absolutely eat away at rubber and plastic seals and gaskets, causing leaks, as well as it's not great for human consumption either, right? Our water on a daily basis usually has more chlorine than what you would find in a swimming pool. So definitely not something that we want to be drinking and bathing in on a daily basis. That's where the Halo 5 comes in, guys. Halo 5 is absolutely the best piece of equipment that I definitely believe in. I'm a believer. I've had it at my house for many years. What it does is, it removes all the chlorine, the chloramide, all the VOCs. It does its job on the cleaning side, but it's not just a water filtration system. It's also a conditioning system. So stage 5, what it really does is it puts all those hard water elements, the calcium, the magnesium, the iron, it puts them into a state of passivity. So they're not wanting to do what they want to do, which is seed and or leach. If you go to school for this stuff, you'll hear them talking about they want to seed or leach those hard water elements. We want to stop that. The way we use that is an inline conditioner. Guys, this piece of equipment, is it cheap? The answer is no, but it's worth its weight in gold. I'll tell you that, for protecting your home, which is your biggest investment, for stopping leaks, for protecting your dishwasher, your refrigerator, for all your valves, for your water heater. I mean, the list goes on and on. We'd love to talk to you a little bit more about it. We obviously can put one of these on the Easy Pay plan. Give us a quick call. We'll definitely help you out. Thank you, guys.